Hello student, welcome to the second day of online practical session, or you can say hand-on session. In the previous video we have learned using step-by-step wizard that how we can do the mail merge. Today we will apply the different way to doing the mail merge. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go first to the mailing tab. Okay, click on the mailing tab. As soon as you click on the mailing tab, click on the start mail merge. Previously we have chosen the step-by-step mail merge wizard, but this time we will choose the letter options. Okay, after choosing the letter option, we have to write the body of the letter. Okay, we have to write the body of the letter. After completing this body of the letter, what you have to do, you have to again go back to the mailing tab and select the select recipients tab. Okay, then this drop down list will come showing the three options, that is type new list, using existing list, and some select from the Outlook contacts. So if you have existing contact list, then you can choose the use existing list. But if you don't have any existing list, then what you have to do, you have to type new list. So how we can type a new list? Type new list options are same. You have to write down the title. In the previous video also I have shown these details to you. Okay, you have to click on this button for going further, moving further. See, in this way we can add a complete details of the first recipient. If you want to add any more, then you can click on the new entry list. Okay, so in this way you can create your new address list. Click OK. When you click OK, again the same procedure is there. See, there are different already existing name list is coming. So but here we are creating new one. So in the file menu section you have to give a new name. I am giving add_p, so I can identify my file. Okay, so here by using this way we can using select or recipient option, we can select it. That if you have a type new list, so you can use the existing list or you can use type new list. Okay, so we have clicked on the type new list. Now our work is to see the address block. So in the mailing tab, this address block is there. When you open the address block, see, you are getting the information, because in the type new list I have entered only one details. That's why here showing is one. If you have many details, then one by one it will show you. Then after checking all the details, click OK. Okay, click OK. So click OK is done. Then the same thing you have to do. Insert March field drop down. First give title, place over here the cursor, then choose title, enter first name, space, last name, enter, address in one line, enter, city, enter, state, enter, zip code, enter. Okay, it is done. Then after dear I have leaving a space blank. Why? Because I have to add my friend's first name. Okay, so we have added this. Contain is done, letter is also done. Okay, so either you can insert use the insert merge field to insert all these details, or otherwise you can do one thing, you can click directly on the address box. Okay, so when you directly click on address look, okay, so what will happen, you can check here also how many details are there. Then click on finish mail merge. Okay, click on edit individual and OK. See, in this way, without using the insert merge field, you can insert the details of the recipient. Okay, now I am going to show you that how using the existing list you can do these things. Okay, already I having some list over here. So going to the mailing tab, select recipient. This time we are choosing the option using existing list. Okay, so we have choosing existing using list. So I am taking this file. Okay, automatically this will come, and if you have saved the list, then it will show it over here. I am clicking this one and then clicking open. Okay, so I have opened. See how many? 2. See over here, 2, 3, 4, 3. Only 3 recipient addresses there. So how can we incorporate this address? We can directly use this address block. Okay, see, we are doing finish mail merge, edit individual, all merge record, and OK. So directly 1. Okay, so in this way also you can do it, or else what you have to do, that we can do insert, click on the insert main merge option. We are using the existing new list. This time I am choosing another list, another existing list. We have chosen and check how many details are there. 3 over here. Okay, from the address box also you can check. So how many names are there? 3. This time is another one. This one is first one. First, second, third. Okay, so I am clicking on OK. So what you have to do, this time we will not use address box. This time we will use title, enter, first name, enter, address, enter, city, zip code, and we will click on finish mail merge, individual, and all records. See, one invitation. This one is the second invitation. This one is the third invitation. In this way, without using step-by-step wizard, you can do it.